Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Edith. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, I want to let you know that you need to click on the subscribe button. Remember to click on the notification bell so that you can have access to our weekly information. Okay, so today I am here to show you how you can naturally reduce your high blood pressure. You know that high blood pressure is a silent killer. That is why I'm here to encourage every one of you. Let's look at what causes hypertension. Another word for high blood pressure is hypertension. What causes it? One is stress. And you know that stress is a silent killer. Worries. You are worried about the mortgage. You are worried about paying your children's tuition. You are worried about your job. Worried about your finances. Worried about your health. Why don't you just relax? You don't want to die early leaving your family. You don't want to die leaving your children, leaving your loved ones. I want to encourage you, please stop it. Stop the stress level. Cut it down. Calm down. Now, let's talk about high blood pressure. It's also known as hypertension. There were times that I struggled with it. My blood pressure was 180/100, guys. And you know what I did? Then I was very stressful job I was doing. I was worried about many things. So worry is not going to solve the problem. Rather, it will lead to heart attack and can lead to death. So I want to encourage you today that you need to relax. Oh no, I can't emphasize on this enough. You need to what? Relax. Watch movies that will make you happy, make you laugh. Okay, do things that will make you laugh. And what I'm here to share with you is a recipe that will help you to lower that high blood pressure instantly, quickly, immediately. And guess what is the recipe? Garlic and lemon. That is what I use to lower mine. And I know it will help you. I know that people hate to eat garlic because it smells, but I want you to know that I have something for you that will help you to eliminate that odor. That is parsley leaves. Parsley leaves can help you eliminate the garlic odor. It can help you. Just chew it before bedtime. Brush your teeth. Okay, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 full lemon. Squeeze the juice out of the lemon. Blend it together. Drink it before bedtime. And behold, just measure your blood pressure before you drink it. Then measure your blood pressure again after drinking it. And you will be surprised how it will lower your blood pressure. Measure your blood pressure before you drink it. Then measure your blood pressure again after drinking it. And you will be surprised how it will lower your blood pressure. Alright, I have a link below that you can click on to get a free recipe that will help you lower your blood pressure, guys. So please don't forget to click on that link. I also have another recipe that will help those that do not like garlic at all. Those that say, oh no, I hate garlic. Oh, don't tell me about garlic. I don't want to have anything to do with garlic. I have beetroots that you can blend with carrots. Drink it daily, and that will help you to lower your blood pressure. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. I'm having fun here by the mountainside. Beautiful view. Till then, eat healthy, live healthy, and be healthy.